Bácskai Rizses Hús and Brassoi Aprópecsenye. This is a very simple recipe. You grease a medium-sized saucepan with oil and you dice up some chicken thighs. Obviously, slice off the really fatty parts. Turn on high heat first. Once heated, stir until the chicken whitens. You can always add some chicken stock to prevent burning. Once satisfied, start seasoning with the black pepper and the Hungarian sweet paprika. Maybe a little more. At this point, you can add the garlic, either chopped or, if you're lazy like me, the powdered kind. And a bit of tomato paste. Stir it in. Add some more chicken stock. Turn down the heat to medium high and cover. Now it's just a waiting game until the sauce thickens so you can start on the rice at the same time. To make this into a brassoi, because at this point you would add some marjoram. And instead of rice, you serve that with fries. Once the sauce starts to thicken, keep stirring. Then take off the heat and wait for it to stop bubbling. And now it is ready to serve. Traditionally, this is served mixed up. As usual, do not microwave, but reheat any leftovers over the stove. Jó étvágyat! Here is the Brassoi conversion. I'm literally just reheating a small portion with some chicken stock. And this time adding the marjoram. If you made the brassoi from scratch, you usually don't add as much, if at all, tomato paste. Jó étvágyat!